everyone, my name's Chelsea and I'm here from the library to show you a really fun bunny bouncing craft activity that you can do over the school holidays. So you can see we've got, it looks like just a normal bunny cup, but this bunny has a secret. He can do some bouncing. So if you get a paper cup like this and pop your bunny on top and pull down and let go, he bounces off just like that. So if you'd like to learn how to make this bunny, keep watching and we'll do it together. Okay, so to make our bunny, we're going to start off with a plain paper cup and we need to do some colouring in and decorating. So I've got some crayons here and I'm going to do some different colours for this bunny. So I'm going to do lots and lots of different colours and hopefully our bunny will end up nice and bright. But you can take lots of time to do this at home and you might like to decorate with some textures. You might like to draw some different spots on your bunny. You could draw some stripes, some different patterns. You could even glue on some different textured items to make your bunny really fluffy as well. You could cover it with some cotton wool balls too. So lots of options that you can do at home. I'm just doing a nice quick one here today while we're filming it, but I've got lots of colours for this bunny there. And what we're going to do, we're going to need to make some eyes for our bunny. So to do that, we're going to cut out some circles and we're going to draw on some black circles onto the eyes so that they are nice and cute eyes for our bunny. So there's one circle and another circle. Okay, and it doesn't matter if they're the exact same size or not, that's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so I'm going to draw some black circles here for my bunny's eyes, just like this. There we go, we've got 2 black circles there and I'm going to stick them onto the cup using some sticky tape. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to get my sticky tape out, stick them on just like this. So there's one eye there and another eye just like that. So my bunny now has some eyes and I think my bunny might need a cute little nose as well. So I'm going to cut out a little orange nose for this bunny. So we're just going to do a little circle all around here. Just a little circle. Oh, it's a bit tricky sometimes. So we're going to stick on just a little circle as well to be our bunny's twitchy nose. And here we go, we'll do some decorating. So our bunny has some eyes and a nose, and I'm going to draw a little mouth on, just like this. So got a nice smile, and maybe some eyebrows too. That's a bit funny. And I think we also need some floppy ears for our bunny too. So today I think we might make some green ears. And I'm going to cut out some shapes that are nice and long. So I'll show you what the shapes look like when I cut them out. We're going to need 2 ears today. So we're going to cut out a shape that looks just like this. And you're going to cut 2 of those out. So there's one. And here is bunny ear. Oh, bunny ear number 2. This one's a little bit shorter, but that's okay. We're going to go with it. Here is bunny ear number 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold just a little bit of the ear in like this. Can you see that? We're going to fold just a bit of the ear in, and that's what we're going to stick down on the top of the cup. So we're going to get some sticky tape, put it just on the top part there, so you can see how the sticky tape goes on, and we're going to stick that down, and that's going to be floppy bunny ear number 1, and sticky tape for bunny ear number 2, just like this. And now we have 2 lovely bunny ears. Now it's really fun as well if you get your bunny ears and roll them up just like this so that it looks like they're kind of folded over. Looks really cute to do that as well. Now we've got some eyes and a nose and a mouth and ears, but our bunny definitely needs a bunny tail, I think. So you've got a couple of options. You can either use some pom-poms if you have them at home, or today we're going to use some cotton wool balls. So in just a moment, I'll show you how to use some cotton wool balls to be your bunny's cute little tail. Okay, so we have our cotton wool balls here. Now they look kind of cute like this, but I think they look way cuter if you pull them out just a little bit and you make them even fluffier like this. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to stick our cotton wool ball on the back of our bunny to be his cute little cotton tail. Isn't that adorable? There we go. So now we have a tail for our bunny. We need to get started on the part that will let our bunny jump up in the air, because at the moment, if I do this, no jumping, nothing happening. So we're going to use some elastic bands to make our bunny pop up and jump. So what we need to do is have our elastic bands ready. We're going to cut them just in one part like this so that they become a little part of elastic string. So we're going to do 1 and 2. So then we're going to get our bunny and we're going to make some different cuts into the bottom of the paper cup. Now we want to make them only small, so probably only about 1 centimetre long. So we need to be a little bit careful. We don't want to make them too long. And we're going to just cut just into the bottom of the cup, just a little bit, just like that, just a tiny little one. And then we're going to go perpendicular, which is a bit of a big word, but we're going to go like this, and we're going to make a straight line and do another cut here, because our elastic bands need to be in a cross shape. So I'm going to do another cut here, so it's going to be in a cross. So right across, and then one here, and then one on this side. So when we put the elastic bands in, you'll see how they go across. Now that we've got our cuts ready, we can get our elastic bands out and make some ties on either end. And this is a great part to get a grown-up to help you with, because it can be a little bit tricky to tie elastic bands because they're a little bit slippery. So we can make a tie in the elastic band on one side and one on this side as well, like this. And then what we want to do is slip them in to the little cuts that we've made in the bottom of the paper cup. So just like this, we can slot them in. It can be a little bit fiddly, but that's okay because it's going to be a really fun end result. So just like that, you can see we've got one there, and we're going to make some tie knots over here. So we've got one, and tie it nice and tight because otherwise it can sort of come loose a bit. And one over here like this, and then we're going to go across, and now you can see a little bit easier that my elastic bands need to make a cross shape, and that's what helps our bunny to jump up. So we have a cross shape like this, and we can pull them nice and tight, and we can try and see if this new bunny will jump just like the old one. Are you ready to see? Let's have a look. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, jump! That was a pretty fun one. So you can have lots and lots of fun making some jumping bunnies. They're really fun to play with. They're a great little toy to make. So I think I would love to see any photos or maybe even any videos of you making your bunny jump up like this. So we hope you have lots of fun with the jumping bunny activity, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.